Hi guys, welcome back to College's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my beef liver. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, tell your family members about College's Kitchen. Also follow me on Facebook, it's College's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's ColleKitchen_1. Once again guys, thank you for your support, thank you for your love. I really appreciate it. So here I have my beef liver already washed and clean. I also have my scallion, my thyme, my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, and also my bell pepper. I also have my all-purpose seasoning, my Italian seasoning, my garlic powder. I also have some extra all-purpose seasoning. I also have my soy sauce, my browning, and also I have some black pepper. So first thing what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and season my beef liver. So in this case we're going to do some stew beef liver. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add the thyme, and I'm also going to crush my garlic and add it to the beef liver. And also to take away some of the rawness and for it to easily digest, I'm just going to add some scotch bonnet pepper, and of course I'm also going to add some onion. Once again guys, I really need your help on this one. I need you to go over on Instagram and I want you to follow my page over on Instagram. It's ColleKitchen_1. Unfortunately, they had my other account that I had, College's Kitchen, over on Instagram. So I need you to go over and I need you to support me. I need you to follow my cooking page on Instagram. And I also want you to share with your friends and your family members and tell them about College's Kitchen. Thank you guys. We have reached 1,400 subscribers. And I just want to tell you guys, I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I can't wait to reach 2,000 subscribers. I just can't imagine what it's gonna feel like. So let's get back to cooking. Alright guys, so at this stage I'm just cutting up my bell peppers to add to my liver. And you want to always ensure that you season your liver properly, because sometimes liver might not have the taste that you want because you did not season it properly. So I encourage you today to go ahead and season your beef liver properly and ensure that if you can season it from overnight, that would be lovely. Alright, so now that I'm finished with my scallion, I'm just going to go ahead and start adding the powdered seasoning. So I'm just going to add the Italian seasoning. And again guys, for those of you who are watching this video, go ahead and subscribe. Also, as I normally tell you guys, use whatever you have. If you don't have any Italian seasoning, it's fine guys. Go ahead and substitute. Use something else. You might have another seasoning in your cupboard similar to what I'm using. Go ahead and use whatever you have. Remember, cooking is about being creative. Utilize whatever you have. Don't go to the store because you don't have this. Try to substitute something for something guys. Okay? Remember, over here we try to make cooking as easy and simple for you, my subscribers, you my loyal subscribers. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of the browning. And also you don't want to add too much of the browning because you don't want your beef liver to be too dark. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna combine the seasoning with the beef liver, and of course I'm gonna leave this for some time, for roughly about an hour or 2 hours before I start cooking, because I'm seasoning this in the morning and I'm going to use this for breakfast. Alright guys, so now it's time to start cooking my beef liver. As you can see, I have my pot, my Dutch pot, and I also added a little bit of vegetable oil. I allow it to get hot before I add my beef liver. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add my beef liver. Of course, I'm going to combine it together because I don't want it to stick. Also, I'm going to turn it down on the lowest heat possible. I'm not going to add any water. I'm just going to allow the beef liver to spring its own water. So we're going to use the water from the beef liver to cook this liver. So I'm going to turn it down on low heat, as I said before, and I'm just going to cover this and allow it to spring its own water. Alright guys, so this takes roughly 40 minutes to cook. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like after it springs its own water. So I'm just going to cover this and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it springs its own water. Alright guys, so this is what my beef liver looks like. As you can see, it springs its own water. So I'm just going to leave this to cook for some more time. Then I'm going to come back to you. Alright guys, so this is what my beef liver looks like. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some more onion, some more garlic, and some more bell pepper. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup to give it a nice thick gravy. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to combine and I'm going to leave it to cook. Then I'm going to come back and show you the final product. Also, I'm going to show you what I serve my stew beef liver with. So I'm just going to leave this to cook. Of course, it's already cooked, but I'm just leaving the onion to get a little bit soft. Not too soft, but we're just going to leave this for roughly another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my stew beef. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it on a plate and serve it up with some banana and some fried ripe plantains. And of course, I'm going to show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my stew beef liver. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you try this recipe. Once again guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate you guys. Remember to follow me on Instagram. It's KaliKitchen_1. Remember to follow me on Facebook. It's Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys for your support and see you in the next